what's it called? The Luminous Blush. All right, well, hi, I'm Karen. In this video today, I'm going to be testing out these new blushes from e.l.f. Cosmetics. They're the Luminous Blush Foundation. They're the Luminous Blush. I have to find a way to end the sentence. And these are the 4 shades that they come in. We have Glowy Rose. We have Radiant Peach. This one's kind of dry. And it's also, I want to say it's not as vibrant as the first shade, which was Glowy Rose. So if you want something less vibrant, I think you would like this. The next shade is Luminous Bronze. And unfortunately, this came broken. But it's a beautiful, beautiful wine. It's like that raisin shade. That is beautiful. And this formula is so moist that I was actually able to like mash it down with my fingers with nothing extra applied. Wow, that lets you know how moist this formula is. All right, and the last shade is called Brilliant Mauve. And I have to say that this doesn't look like mauve to me, so I'm not sure how they got that color. It looks quite tangerine-y, apricot, corally. So yeah, oh my gosh, wow. Yeah, I'm not sure how they're comparing that. Oh my gosh, what? Oh wow. I think the name is inappropriate, to be quite honest. Shade right here, Radiant Peach, was more so of the mauve, and this would be considered Radiant Peach. It looks peachy, orangey, red, but it gives off a gold undertone. And this says Brilliant Mauve on the back, so this isn't a correct packaging. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and test out all these shades on my face so we can see what they look like. And I got a brush for each one, so let's get rolling. All right, so this first shade is Glowy Rose. Are you serious? Oh, wow. Oh, yo, take it easy. Take it easy is what I gotta say. Ooh, and it blends beautifully. Wow, nice. All right, because I was kind of afraid there for a second. Yeah, I was kind of afraid there for a second. This is beautiful. Should we test this a little bit? Maybe we're here. Wow, yeah, don't go in, yeah. Take it easy with your brush. All right, so this is Glowy Rose. Next color is Radiant Peach. Yeah, like it's still coming off good. All right. Like I said, this formula, this one seemed just a little dry, just a little bit, but oh my gosh. Don't think because it's dry that you need to keep swirling in it. Like barely swirl. This is my advice to you. Yeah, I might have to tone this down with like, oh my gosh, with like a face powder, a translucent powder, something. Yeah, because go in light. Oh my gosh, it's the first time. I'm going to say this. This is my first time ever using a blush that's like literally this intense. This is and this should call it a luminous intense blush. That's what they should have called it. Let's see what it says on the back. It said this luminous blush gives the cheeks a flush of vibrant, they should have put that in all caps, color for a lit from within glow. A finely milled shimmer blends seamlessly onto the cheeks and adds natural looking dimension for a radiant flush. I don't know about that. It's radiant, all right. Natural flush, I don't know about that, but dang, this thing is glowing. It's glowing. All right, and the next shade is the Luminous Bronze. I wish it wasn't broken so we could really... Oh, let's do this. Oh my gosh, wow. Yeah, I think this type of blush right here is something that maybe you won't wear in competition with your highlight because it is really glowy. I think that might be too much. I think this is going to be great for like holiday parties, things like that, where you want to glow and it's at nighttime. But I don't think you need to do both. But it's nice. Yeah, I think I might just need to change the brush to apply this, but nonetheless, this is beautiful. Honestly, I think I would wear something like this without highlighter on the face. It's such a glowy blush that I don't think you need to actually have this in competition with a highlighter that's glowing on top. Maybe if you did the glow underneath the foundation, so it's not competing with it, but you still have a radiant glow on your face and it's not just this area that's glowing only. You know what I mean? This is a beautiful color. I think I just need to learn how to go in light with these blushes, period. All right, this is the last shade. This is the Brilliant Mauve. Go in light, Karen. Go in light. Oh, this is a beautiful shade. Ooh. This is my favorite shade right here. Yeah, hands down, I'm gonna say this one is my favorite shade. Oh my gosh, e.l.f. is really like stepping their game up, like completely. These blushes are so pigmented and full of color. If you've been looking for a blush that maybe you feel like blushes don't really pop on you, or they don't have that vibrant color undertone underneath it, I think you will really like these blushes here. The formulas are beautiful, but this shade, it is my favorite thus far. Oh, that looks beautiful on. And I think the best part about this can literally act as a blush and a highlight because of the golden undertone that it has in the color. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. All right, so that is it for this review. If you've purchased this recently and you've tried it, definitely go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know how you liked it, or maybe you're curious about it. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to go ahead and give it a thumbs up so more people like you on my channel can find me here on YouTube. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.